I go to Melville High School. I've been playing soccer since I was 2 years old. It's one of the bigger things in my life. I've always been doing it, devote most of my time to it. My hopes are to make it to college, anywhere, D2 and above, hopefully. I was just playing soccer for my club team, and I was going to contest the ball, and I try and step out for it, but when I landed, my knee just completely buckled, and it just tore my ACL. My fears about me tearing my ACL were that I wasn't going to be able to play my high school season, and that I might not be able to play at all. When I heard about it, I was kind of confused because I've never heard anything about it, but I decided to give it a try, how fast of a recovery time I could get. Hopefully, it would make it quicker. Normally, you take a graft of your own body and then just construct a whole new ACL, but in this one, you repair your own ACL with your own blood. Being the first Mercy patient to have the Bear procedure, it's a good thing to talk about as a conversation starter. Being the first Mercy patient in this hospital, it was pretty cool, but I mean, it was kind of weird being the only person in the hospital. But my friends have seen all the stories about me. I mean, they text me about it and they think it's really cool. I'm going to therapy 2 times a week here, and then I'm also doing stuff at home. It's pretty good, I'm ahead of schedule, but I have to follow the protocol just to be safe. Weighted squats, side shuffles with a resistance band around my knee, weighted step-ups, and then just some stretching. I feel like I'm progressing pretty fast. I thought it was just going to be way longer. Pretty excited. I haven't really seen all my friends in that long. I haven't played soccer with them, and I'm just hoping to see what it feels like again.
Hey, what's up, man?
When I was coming to therapy, I didn't really know what to expect. I thought it would just be a bunch of stretching and stuff, but I mean, it turns out it was more fun than I thought it would be. My experience throughout my recovery has opened my eyes to possible career opportunities on becoming a physical trainer for a professional sports team or something. It's a lot less hard than you think. You'll get through it as long as you just have faith in yourself. My club season is in the spring. I'm pretty sure I'll be back by then. I think I should be 100%.
Oh yeah, yeah, go ahead. 5. Good to go.